This is Design and Technology class, and I am Mr. Okunlade, your Design and Technology teacher. Now today, we shall be looking at triangle. And today, we'll limit our teaching. I will limit my teaching today to definition of triangle, types of triangle, properties of triangle, and I'll be showing you shapes of triangle. Now, to start with, definition of triangle. Triangle is a plane shape bonded with 3 angles and 3 sides. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and this is applicable to all triangles. Now let's look at types of triangle now. 1. Equilateral triangle. Look at my line here. This is a shape of an equilateral triangle. Each angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Now this is triangle ABC. Side AB equals to side BC and equals to side AC. And like you can see here, sum the angles, internal angles together, it will give you 180 degrees. For equilateral triangle, all the sides must be equal and the angles must be equal. Number two, we have isosceles triangle. For isosceles triangle, the two base angles are equal and the two opposite sides are equal. Now, as you can see from me now, as you can see with me here, this is a shape of an isosceles triangle. You see the base angle, this one I'm touching, the base angle. The base angles are equal, this equals to this. And when you sum this and this together, you deduct it from 180 degrees, it will give you the sum of the last or the third angles. So this side and this side are equal, but this side is not equal to the other two sides. That is the property of an isosceles triangle. Now the third type of triangle is a scaling triangle. Scaling triangle. And a scaling triangle, you have all the sides are not equal. In other words, it has unequal size and unequal angle. The angles are not equal, the sides are not equal. Now you can see the shape with me here. And each side face a certain angle. And the angle that the side face, we carry the sign of that angle, the same sign that the angle is carrying, as you can see here with me. So the sides are not equal, the angles are not equal. When we start the construction, you will understand better. Now let's go to the last but not the least, the last types of triangle. That is right-angled triangle. It's right-angled triangle just as the name implies. In a right-angled triangle, we have right angle as the highest angle. Right angle, that is angle 90, is the highest angle there. And it is facing that angle, the highest angle is also facing the longest side of the right angle triangle. And that longest side is called hypotenuse. Now the angle under consideration, you pick one angle to consider. Like I'm holding this now, this angle is under consideration. This angle, and I call it alpha. This side is facing is the opposite, while this one is the adjacent, and the hypotenuse remains unchanged. And you can see that this side hypotenuse is facing this angle 90. So that is the property of a right angle. Remember once again that these angles, the triangles, the sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. In other words, a triangle, just as the name implies try. We have 3 angles, 3 sides. So you sum the angles together, they must sum up to 180. If it is less or more, then know for sure that you are wrong and your construction is wrong. There's problem somewhere. Now, I haven't got this. I will give you this as your personal work, homework. Go on your own and cut different types of triangle. Decide the dimension. Say triangle ABC, design what AB will be on your own, decide what BC will be on your own, and decide what AC will be on your own. In the next class, I will look at it, and that will move us to the next